Hello, long time no vlog. I just woke up, if you can't tell, and I wanted to share my new morning routine with you all. I've been doing this for all of January so far, and it's really been working for me. I have been focusing this year on writing my book, which I've been documenting the process over on a Substack just like for funsies. You know, I used to be the type of person who believed that creativity had to happen in random spurts and that you couldn't schedule it, you couldn't force it. And I recently realized like, no, that's how stuff gets done. And so for the past few weeks, I've been waking up every day and writing. What I've been finding is waking up that early, getting straight to writing. So like I just get water, I get coffee, and I get like a little bowl of berries or granola or some type of small snack like that. I've been able to write about 1,000 words a day pretty consistently, even on the days when I'm feeling not inspired. You know, one of the reasons for that is I've been putting my app limits on, so I'm not able to access social media or anything really besides like email and phone calls. So at a certain point, even if I'm not feeling super into it, there's only so much time wasting I can do before I'm like, okay, like I woke up. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I'm not a morning person. So it's like I got up, I might as well make good use of that time. It's been working really well, just setting the vibe, like opening my big window right here, getting some natural lights, and doing my thing. And then afterwards, I make a real breakfast. I've been really enjoying doing that again. I kind of fell off of my fun breakfast experiments. And I know some of you watching might be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is your life. Like you just sit around and are so leisurely, and I totally get that. Obviously I don't have kids, I don't even have a dog. You know, I work from home, I run the show, I run my own business, so I understand this isn't realistic for everybody, but having a slow morning, I feel like really sets the tone for my day. As like a super introvert, I think I really need that. You know, before I get anybody else's ideas into my head, before I talk to anybody else, I feel like I need to have my own time. And it really helps with the creative process because I'm like purely me. Like I haven't been influenced by anybody else on social media, in real life, or anything yet. So I just feel like it's an important part of the process. After I eat, I usually go and do some type of exercise. I'll take a walk or something. Today I'll vlog for the rest of the day today. I'm actually going to be running some errands later today, so I'll get some walking in then. So I'm gonna skip that step and just go ahead and get ready for the day and get into some deep work. Let's go do that. Once I'm all ready, good to go, now is the perfect time for deep work. Again, I feel like unlocking that creative part of my brain really helps me then get focused on what I need to do. And I'm able to just like cross the tasks off my list first thing, the big kind of less fun tasks. Today I'm working on our sales funnel. So we're revamping our lead magnet, like the core lead magnet that I use, and just building out email funnels and like all of that fun stuff. Don't mind the giant mess. I told you guys I have a couch in my office. But this is, I did a TikTok on this actually yesterday. I'm building out my marketing funnel, my email funnel on a whiteboard. I always do that just because you can erase, you can move things around. And basically we have 3 different buckets of people that come to OBLL or that watch my videos, for the most part, service providers, coaches, and course creators. So we're building out separate email funnels for each category. That's the look. Got my book friend recommended this to me, and it's really like a step-by-step guide for writing a nonfiction book. It's super helpful, I highly recommend it. But I'm gonna be honest, it's kind of terrified me a little bit. Obviously I have a plan. I knew I would have to hire an editor and things like that, but this guy really recommends using beta readers, which I agree with because I always recommend using beta course testers and things like that. So it's like nothing new, but it's kind of freaking me out. Like I just haven't thought about that for my stuff yet, you know? And then I feel like the pressure's on now that I'm reading this. Writing kind of started as just like this creative outlet. And then now I'm like, oh shoot, people are actually gonna read this and I'm actually really nervous and really shy and freaks me out. It's good, but yeah, it was definitely like a kick in the butt that I think I needed to be like, this is serious, like take this seriously. But anyway, I'm almost done with it. So I'm gonna try to finish it up in the chair. Let's go. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm doing. I'm gonna go to Dry Bar to get my hair done.
Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, we're done. I'm gonna run to a store and grab some stuff to make for dinner and then head back home and get some more work done. But I just wanted to say, like, this is my rant of the vlog. You know, there's always one. Why are people being rude to like service professionals these days? I feel like times are so hard on people, and I just witnessed like these girls came in to the blow dry bar and like they didn't say thank you once for like, oh, can I take your coat? Oh, do you want some tea? Oh, like it was just like, yes, this, yes. I was like, wow, are you like the queen of the world or something? Like, I don't know, it's just like the littlest things. Sorry, I just got a Slack message. This is managing your business on the go. But yeah, I don't know, I was just kind of like shocked. It's just saying thank you is always like, you know, the smallest but nicest thing you can do. Anyway, I gotta respond to this Slack because it looks like there may be a crisis, so that sometimes happens. Let's just get ourselves home in one piece, shall we? Yeah, do you like your job though? What do you do? Like, what's your job officially? Well, that's good. I mean, I'm glad you like the job at least. I mean, how often are you working? Like, how many days are you working? Yeah. Well, that's cool. Adulthood. That's what it becomes. Just work and yeah.